If you're looking for a Sawzall blade that cuts through thick metal, then this one is the one I chose, and it did me good. I had an emergency waistline repair job to cut through cast iron, and I wanted to make sure I got clean cuts, and this blade helped me make my life a lot easier doing this job. So this is a 6-inch, and it's carbide tipped and thick metal cast iron. So this is a 2-inch pipe, very old. I made 3 cuts and all were very clean and very quick, as you can see in the video. And long story short, if you need to cut heavy metal, this blade will help you do the job. Nope, that is cut through. I was having an issue.